I am building something called QuadWork. This is like quadrant work. It's shortened word for quadrant work. Why quadrant? I always pair 4 agents in a team. That's kind of my unique way of building something. Like I always have some kind of head AI agent. The head agent is like some kind of project manager. Like so, I discuss with the agent. I ask, request some feature or development something, and then that agent kind of schedule. So this is head agent, and then there is a dev agent, kind of full stack developer. The full stack developer actually implement in a code, right? And then there are 2 code reviewers. Uh, why 2? Because to be honest, I'm not a developer, so I don't know how to review the code, right? So I'm kind of dependent with agent. But one agent was not enough to review the code. I always had 2 different models to review the code. So yeah, these 4 agents I used to always pair in a one team. I start to think about like, what if I make my way of work in a tool where you can actually make a queue of the serial tasks. So you just let these 4 agents, the team, keep working, uh, like from those kind of queued tasks while you're outside, while you're eating dinner or even sleeping. There's that was kind of background of why I started to build this tool. So yeah, I built it. So you can add multiple projects here. I currently registered 2 projects. So what it means is that one project has 4 agents, and so I have 2 projects. So 4 agents here, another 4 agents here. So now I'm running 8 agents. If you had one more project, then you're adding one more team. So this is how it worked. Interesting, isn't it? So I currently have Dropcast project team. So these 4 are the agent to work for Dropcast project. I also have an agent work for QuadWork. So yeah, there are agents keep improving QuadWork. So QuadWork agent to improve QuadWork himself. So it's kind of interesting, right? And then once you add your project, first of all, you can set 4 agents model. Like currently, I set head agent as Codex, which is GPT 5.4, and dev agent Claude, Opus 4.6, and then reviewer 1 and 2. Reviewer 1 I set Codex, and reviewer 2 Claude. So now you can see, like I use multimodal because when you mix with different models, usually the code review quality gets really perfect. You just keep making issue. You don't need to make yourself the GitHub issue. One QuadWork project kind of connect with one GitHub repo. So you can see Dropcast has separate repo, right? So I connected Dropcast repo with this QuadWork page. So this is how it works. Issue means that you want to do something. Like for example, let me show you this one. So I prepared in advance. You know, VaSAP recently announced that they don't support Farcaster SDK, right? And Dropcast has Farcaster SDK runtime. So I have to remove it. Currently, Dropcast is not openable on VaSAP. So this is the master ticket to fix that issue. And this master ticket has 3 connected tickets. Like this one, sub 1, to do this. I mean, I didn't create. Head AI agent created this. So now I can launch a new batch. So I ask, so I want to create a new batch, open issues now. Then head AI. So this is the head AI terminal, but you don't need to talk here because this is just their work kind of work tree. You can just think about that. This is kind of their own work tree. You talk via here by tagging them. And then the head agent is creating this stocks overnight q.md. What it is that I'll show you after he creates. He's creating kind of queued task like this first. Oh, see? So he already created like, yeah, I found 313, 314, 315. 3 tickets have to do in this row. And when you see these stocks, yeah, he already designed like this. And then head agent said that I created a new active batch from the current open issues under umbrella of 312. Active batch now track these. I have not assigned anything to dev yet. Just start the batch, please. So okay, start the batch now. And you know what is gonna happen? Head agent start to work from the queue. The first one, yeah, already assigned to dev. Can you see? Yeah. And dev is working for this one first. See? The first queue. And then after dev agent work about this, he is gonna create PR. PR is pull request. Pull request means is like he changed the code and then ask these two reviewer to review. Did I work well? You know, sort of like that. And then these two reviewers is gonna review his implementation and then return to the dev agent like with approval or not. You will see. Yeah. QuadWork is using MCP, model context protocols. Like MCP is like, you know, there's always host client and server client, and then the AI agent run through the MCP server with kind of designated set of the works. Now, the dev agent issue something. Okay, please implement issue active batch. Okay, so PR 317 is ready. See, so dev agent created this PR and then ask reviewer 1 and 2 to review this implementation. Let's see what this PR is about. Look, so this is his PR. So the dev agent made this PR, right? And then these two reviewer is kind of reviewing now, and you're gonna see that approve or request change. Only when these two reviewer both approves this PR, then that can be yeah. Okay, reviewer 2 approved, right? Reviewer 1 approved. Wow, both approved. Yeah, now both approved. Now then dev reported to head that PR 317 both approved. Now you can merge. Then head agent is running the final check, like I call it final guard, and then merge to main branch. Then this ticket is gonna be finished. Even you can see the progress bar here, right? Oh yeah, you can set sound effect like this sound or this sound, you know, whenever there's a new chat here. See? I like this one the most because it's simple. See? Yay! So PR 317 merged. So issue 313, which was the first one, this one, is merged, right? And now, look, please implement issue 314. Look, isn't it beautiful? Head agent remembers the queue order to assign. He remembers. So he automatically assigns next one. So this is the beauty of QuadWork. What I usually do, I usually chain like 10 different tickets in a one batch, like more than 10 usually. That kind of usually worth of like 3 to 4 hours of running time usually. So I just set the queue and go to sleep or watch Netflix or have some time with your family. That's what I usually do. Look, it says today QuadWork already worked 7.2 hours. This week 11 hours. I didn't work 7.2 hours in my desk. Yeah, they worked. So this is the beauty of the system. And I made a lot of additional feature with it. Like for example, this is called triggered messages, because sometimes head agent forgot to assign next one, or sometimes stuck in some between these agents. Then you can set triggers. Like, are you guys working well? Every minute for 3 hours. If there's some kind of blockages here or some kind of like idle status here, then this triggered message will catch it. Look at the speed of the working. So the first ticket is already done. Second ticket is already in the PR stage reviewing, right? So reviewer 1 and 2 is reviewing this PR. It's very fast, isn't it? And then look, so this trigger message will fire soon. 3, 2, 1, done. Ta-da! So user, this is my triggered message. I mean, you can customize this message obviously by your own. I love these types of messages because it keeps checking each of the individual agents' current status, and it's all triggered, right? See? So triggered messages is very useful to make them keep working. I usually set 15 minutes for 3 hours usually. And also you can use this, keep your device awake. If you set this like 3 hours, then for 3 hours your PC, your Mac won't go to sleep. It will keep running on like that. QuadWork is a local app. It is using your AI, not my AI. You have to connect your AI. So obviously you need to have your own subscriptions. Okay. Now PR 318 merged, issue 314 closed, and this is the final issue. Please implement issue 315. Wow. So while we are talking, can you see? These 4 AI keep working based on this queue. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah. So nowadays, this is my way of working. I set up a long queue, like usually 2 to 3 hours of the running time required. Very long queue, and then go to sleep. And the day after, all these are merged. Then only thing I just do is that ask the head AI, review all the merged PRs, and then see any bugs or errors. And then I just do the live test. So this is my routine nowadays. When I used one AI before, actually AI is working for me, right? But I'm working together because I have to keep watching the AI is saying. And sometimes that is stuck somewhere. I have to do something or still asking me to do, like ask opinions or something, So literally when AI is working like 10 hours, I'm also working 10 hours. That was my system before. And you guys know that I'm pretty much a lazy person. I don't like that. So that's why I built this. Rather than that, I planned heavily in the beginning whenever I do something. So I made a lot of issues first. And then they work for this based on these issues. Yeah, you can ask. I was considering about orchestration like QuadWork, but I didn't find it. Why did you pick up this tool for? I am making this. I'm building this. I'm gonna launch this probably in 2 weeks' time. QuadWork is my project. Yeah, I'm building it. So, wow, I think the last one is, look, let's see this. So dev agent made the PR, right? Request to review. And look, reviewer 2 approved. Okay, but reviewer 1 didn't approve. It says request changes. The new forecast required banners are gated on this. I don't know what it is. So they also show blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so literally, dude, your work is wrong. Change this. I'm not gonna approve. Then dev is working again for that. So this iterations is run until both reviewer agree together. That's the powerful system for this. Now both approve, and then the developer report to this head saying that this is ready to merge, and now the team head team head is merging to main. Ta-da! All batches complete. Look, with all doing this, look, I didn't do anything. Can you guys see this record? If you're using only one agent, you probably need to constantly talk with this agent, right? But all of this job, I didn't talk anything. I also built Telegram bridge here. If you connect your Telegram bot like this, then you actually can manage them remotely outside of your like when you go out, you go to work or you go to I don't know, touch grass. You can still monitor their work. See, the all messages is here. Even I can talk to them from my Telegram. Like so head. So all issues on this batch is complete, right? Please review the merged PRs and see if any bugs or errors. And look, ta-da! This message go here, right? And then head AI is called to Telegram. You will see. See? Wow! This message to me came to here, right? So yeah, this Telegram bridge is extremely useful feature because I actually go out a lot by assigning a long chain of issues, and then I can still see if they are working well like this outside. They sometimes ask my opinion, which is called as operator gate. Like they need my opinion to keep proceeding next steps. Then I have to reply, right? I can reply remotely by using Telegram. Actually, I'm gonna make Discord bridge too. This is my next job. If I make Discord bridge, I'll show you. I already made a ticket. This is my QuadWork workspaces here. So these 4 agents actually working to improve QuadWork. So these 2, look, there are a lot of tickets I already made, right? These 3 tickets is about Discord bridge. I'm gonna make Discord bridge here. Then you can remotely manage QuadWork from your Telegram, or you can just create your own Discord server, and then you can set up a Discord bot inside your server.